In this tutorial, I'm going to show you another exciting update we've added: title for activity posts. With this feature, all members can now add a title when creating a post. This makes posts more structured, easier to browse, and similar to the way topics work in forums, helping your community stay organized and engaging. This feature is available on both the BuddyBoss web and app. By default, the title field is available for everyone in the activity feed, profiles, and group feeds. But if you want to take it a step further, you can even require members to enter a title before submitting their posts. To do this, from your WordPress dashboard, go to BuddyBoss, Settings, Activity. Here, you'll see the option for post title. Enabling this will make post titles mandatory before a post can be published. Now let's see this in action. When creating a new post in the activity or group feed, you'll see a title field right above the content box, and you'll notice it no longer says optional. I'll go ahead and add a title and type out my post. We've also improved the formatting options with H3 and H4 headings, giving members even more ways to style their content. And this works not only when creating a new post, but also when editing or scheduling posts. Now let's select a topic and hit publish. And as you can see, the title is displayed right above the post content, making it stand out in the feed. In the backend, when you edit an activity post as an admin, you'll also see the title field above the content area. Titles are fully integrated, so they're included in search results for better visibility. So that's the new title for activity posts feature for BuddyBoss web and app. This update helps your members create more organized, searchable, and engaging content. And the option to make titles mandatory gives you greater control over how posts are submitted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a BuddyBoss update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.